Hello again, grade 1. Today we are starting a new chapter. This is the last chapter in our book. Chapter number 12 is about two-dimensional shapes. And today's lesson 12.1 is sorting two-dimensional shapes. Do you remember the word sort? It's similar to the word classify. It means to put in groups. And today we're going to sort two-dimensional shapes. We're going to put them in groups according to their properties. Let's see what kind of properties we can sort according to. For example, shapes are two types: closed or open. A closed shape is like a rectangle, a circle, a square. All of them are closed shapes. An open shape is a shape that has an open end. The last side is not closed perfectly. So this we call it an open shape. Now we can classify or sort shapes according to their sides. Maybe they have 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6, 7, 8. How many sides they have? Also, we can classify them according to the type of the sides. Maybe the side is curved, or maybe it is straight. Curved sides like a circle, straight sides like any shape you know. Triangle, square, rectangle, all of them have straight sides. A circle is our first shape to identify today. We said the circle has a curved side. This is the side, and it is curved, not straight. And the circle does not have any vertices. You remember what's the meaning of the word vertices? The plural of vertex? The circle does not have any vertices, and it only have one curved, perfectly round side. But the oval shape, it's not perfectly round. It's also curved, and it has no vertices, but it's not perfectly round. This is the oval. Now a triangle, how many sides it has? Does it have straight or curved? How many vertices it has? Let's see. Count. This is the side. 1, 2, and 3. So a triangle has 3 sides. All of them are straight sides. And it also has 1, 2, 3 vertices. This is a vertex. So we call the plural vertices. 1, we call it a vertex. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. How about the square? How many sides it has? Excellent, it has 4 sides. And how many vertices? Again, 4 vertices. And you know that the square has all its sides are equal, the same length. So a square has 4 straight sides and 4 vertices. All of the sides are the same length. Not like a rectangle. A square has all of the sides equal, but a rectangle has each 2 sides facing each other are equal. Like here, the sides in the top and the side on the bottom are equal. And the 2 sides on the sides are equal. The rectangle has 4 sides, 4 vertices, and it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Do you know that we can call the square a special rectangle? Because also in the square, it has 2 sides facing each other are equal. Another 2 sides facing each other are equal. So we can call the square a rectangle also. But can we call this rectangle a square? Why not? Because it doesn't have all the sides equal. It should have all of the sides equal, so I can call it square. Okay? So I can only call the square a special rectangle, but this rectangle I cannot call it a square. Now the next shape. This is a new shape. Maybe you are not familiar with this word. Trapezoid. Trapezoid is a shape that has 4 sides and 4 vertices. But be much careful when you observe that it has 2 sides facing each other, and they are parallel, and they are not equal. Parallel means that they are straight, facing each other in a straight direction. But these 2 sides on the left and on the right are not parallel. They are tilted. The parallel sides are not equal. The tilted sides are equal. Okay? So a trapezoid has 4 sides, 4 vertices. 2 sides are equal, that are tilted, and 2 sides parallel but not equal. One of them short, this one for example short, and this one is long. Okay? Now the next shape is also new, but maybe you are familiar with the name. Hexagon. Hexa means number 6 in the Greek language. Hexagon. And hexagon is a shape that has 6 sides. From the word hexa, 6. Hexagon is a shape that has 6 equal sides. Okay? Hexagons has 6 sides, 6 vertices. All of the sides are equal, the same length. The next shape is not included in our lesson, but it's extra, and maybe we're gonna mention it in the end. A pentagon. Penta means 5. Pentagon means a shape that has 5 equal sides and 5 vertices. A pentagon has 5 straight sides, 5 vertices. All the sides are the same length in the regular pentagon. This is the last shape, octagon. And an octagon is a shape that has 8 sides. Octa means 8. And in the octagon, it has 8 sides, 8 vertices, and all the sides are the same length in the regular octagon. Open with me page number 671. In this page, they want me to draw the shapes under each group after I sort them. Sort means to put in groups according to the properties. What are the properties that I am going to sort according to today? I can choose that this is the group of the rectangles and this is the group of the triangles. Or I can say that these are the 4 sides shapes and this is the 3 sides shape. And I'm not gonna put the opened shapes with them. In the rectangles, I can put the rectangle, the small square, because a square we can call it a rectangle, another small square, and another rectangle. All of these are in the group of the rectangles. Why did I put the squares? Because they are like rectangles. Each 2 sides facing each other are equal. Now the triangles. I only have 2 triangles. How about this shape here? No, it's open shape. I cannot put it here. And this one also is an open shape. I can also make 2 groups, closed and open. Then I can put these in the open group. Next page. Model and draw. Here are some ways to sort 2-dimensional shapes. You can see if they have curved sides, like circles have curved sides. You can see how many sides they have, and you can sort them according to that. All of these shapes in this group have 3 sides. They are triangles. And here you can sort them according to how many vertices they have. All of these shapes here have 4 vertices. We can call them rectangles. Even the square, I can call it a rectangle. A square is a special kind of rectangle. Now read the sorting rule and then circle the shapes that follow the rule. Here we want to circle the shapes that have 4 vertices. They tell you that the meaning of the word vertices are corners. So where are the shapes that have 4 vertices? The rectangle, the square, and the other square. Can I circle the triangles? No, they only have 3. I cannot circle them. I want to circle the shapes that have 4 vertices only. In question number 2, what is our rule? The rule says not curved. Not curved. So I want to circle the shapes that have straight sides, not curved. So like the triangle, the square, another triangle, and a rectangle. But the circles are curved, so I'm not going to circle them. Now in number 3, which shapes have only 3 sides? Excellent, the triangles only. In number 4, more than 3 sides. Can I circle the triangles here? No, they want any shape that has more than 3. So the rectangle, the square, and the other square have more than 3 sides. Circle the shapes that follow the rule. In number 5, they want me to circle the shapes that are curved. The circles only, excellent. Only 3 vertices in number 6. Which shapes have only 3 vertices? The triangles, wonderful. Now in number 7, we need the shapes that has 4 sides. The square, another square, a rectangle, and a taller rectangle. In question number 8, 4 sides, but careful here, that are the same length. Which shapes have the same length sides? Only the squares. You cannot circle the rectangles here. Draw 2 different 2-dimensional shapes that follow both parts of the sorting rule. In number 9, we have 2 rules, 3 sides and 3 vertices. Which shapes have 3 sides and 3 vertices? Let's try to draw. This is the first side, the second side, and the third side. Now I draw a shape that has 3 sides. I want to count the vertices to see if I'm correct. 1, 2, and 3. And remember that the vertices are the points where the 2 sides are meeting. 2 sides are meeting in one point. This we call it a vertex. So how many sides, how many vertices I draw? I draw a shape that has 3 sides, 3 vertices. So my triangle fits the rule. In question number 10, they want me to draw a shape that has 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. Which shape fit this rule? The rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 shorter sides. And also it has 4 vertices. The last page. Ted sorted these shapes 3 different ways. Write the sorting rules to tell how he sorted. The first one, he put these 2 in one group. What can we say the name of this group? We can say that this group is the group of shapes that has 3 sides. Or we can say 3 vertices. Both rules are correct. For me, I chose 3 sides. In this here, he put all these shapes in one group. What is the name of the group? I can say 4 vertices, very good. And 4 sides, excellent. Can I say 4 sides, all of them equal? No, because we have rectangles, not all of them equal. So I can say 4 sides. All of my shapes have 4 sides. Now in question number 13, he put all of these shapes in one group. What can I call this group? 4 sides? I have triangles. I cannot say 4 sides. Can I say 3 vertices? No, I have rectangles. I cannot say 3. What can I call this group? All of these shapes have one property in common. All of them are not open. Excellent, we can call it a closed shapes group. In question 14, which shapes have more than 3 sides? Choose all that apply. More than 3, 4 or more. Let's see. The rectangle has 4. The triangle, no, it equals to 3. I want more than 3. The square, yes, it has 4. This shape, yes, it has 4. This shape, this is a pentagon. Yes, it has 5. More than 3. Excellent job.